Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll teach you how to clone your voice using MiniMax for free. First, open your browser and go to the MiniMax official website. If you're new, create an account, and if you already have one, just log in. Once you're inside the dashboard, find the text-to-speech voice clone section. Look for an option like create voice or add custom voice, then click it to begin. Next, you'll need to give MiniMax a sample of your voice. You can either record directly from your microphone or upload an audio file. Try to keep it around 30 to 60 seconds and make sure your voice is clear with little or no background noise. After uploading, the system will process your recording and build your voice model. This usually only takes a few minutes. Once it's ready, type any text you want, select your cloned voice, and generate the audio. Then you can download the file and use it for your projects. And that's it, your own AI voice clone using MiniMax. Thanks for watching. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.